Welcome to Learning English at Home. Today, you'll learn real English conversations at the hotel, from booking your stay to check-in, asking for help, and checking out. These dialogues will help you speak confidently and sound natural while traveling anywhere in the world. Learning tip: listen carefully, repeat each line aloud, and practice with real expressions, just like a guest and receptionist. If you enjoy learning this way, don't forget to follow, like, and share. Let's begin your hotel English journey together.
Good afternoon. I'd like to book a room, please.
Good afternoon, sir. Certainly. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's David Johnson.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. May I know your check-in and check-out dates?
I'd like to check in on Friday and check out on Sunday. 2 nights.
All right. Let me check. Yes, we have rooms available. Would you prefer a single or a double room?
A double room, please.
Sure. Would you like a standard room or a deluxe room with a balcony and sea view?
How much is the deluxe room per night?
It's $120 per night, including breakfast and free Wi-Fi.
That sounds good. I'll take the deluxe room.
Perfect. May I have your phone number and email for confirmation?
My number is +1 555 902 1811, and my email is david1546@gmail.com.
Thank you. How would you like to pay? By card now or upon arrival?
I'll pay by card now.
Certainly. Please hold for a moment while I process your payment. Done. Your booking is confirmed.
Wonderful. Could you please send me a confirmation email?
Of course. You'll receive it within a few minutes. Your room number will be assigned at check-in.
Great. What time is check-in and check-out?
Check-in starts at 2 p.m. and check-out is before noon.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure, Mr. Johnson. We look forward to welcoming you this Friday. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Key phrases you learned today.
Booking and availability.
I'd like to book a room, please. Do you have any rooms available this weekend? Would you like a standard or deluxe room?
Payment and confirmation.
How much is the room per night? I'll pay by credit card now. Could you send me a confirmation email?
Schedule.
Check-in starts at 2 p.m. Check-out is before noon.
Good evening. I have a reservation under the name David Johnson.
Good evening, Mr. Johnson. Welcome to the Sunrise Hotel. Let me check your booking. Yes, I see it here. A deluxe double room for 2 nights.
That's correct.
Wonderful. May I see your passport or ID, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Everything looks fine. Would you like to use the same card you paid with online for any additional charges?
Yes, please. That's fine.
Great. All right. Your payment information is verified.
The receptionist smiles while preparing the key cards.
Here are your key cards, Mr. Johnson. You're in room 512 on the 5th floor.
Thank you. Is breakfast included?
Yes, sir. Breakfast is served in the Ocean View restaurant on the 1st floor from 7 to 10 a.m.
Perfect. What time is checkout?
Checkout is before noon. If you'd like a late checkout, please let us know in advance.
Okay. Thank you. Does the room have Wi-Fi?
Yes, it does. The network name and password are printed on your keycard holder.
Great. Could I also have an extra key card for my friend?
Of course. Here's another one. Anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
My pleasure, Mr. Johnson. The elevators are to your right. Enjoy your stay with us.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
You too, sir. Welcome again to the Sunrise Hotel.
Arrival and verification.
I have a reservation under the name. May I see your passport or ID, please? You're in room 512 on the 5th floor.
Payment and facilities.
Would you like to use the same card? Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. The Wi-Fi password is on your key card holder.
Hello, good morning. This is David Johnson in room 512.
Good morning, Mr. Johnson. How can I help you today?
Could you please send 2 extra towels to my room?
Certainly, sir. I'll ask housekeeping to deliver them right away. Would you like anything else?
Yes, please. Could I also have an extra pillow?
Of course. 1 extra pillow will be sent with the towels.
That's perfect, thank you. Oh, and what time does the swimming pool open?
The pool opens at 7 a.m. and closes at 9 p.m. Towels are available at the pool area.
Great. Is there a gym as well?
Yes, our fitness center is open 24 hours. You can access it with your room key.
Wonderful. I also wanted to ask, do you have any restaurant recommendations nearby?
Certainly. If you'd like to try local food, Blue Mango Cafe is just a 5-minute walk from the hotel. It's very popular for seafood and Thai dishes.
Sounds great. Could you please text me the directions?
Absolutely, sir. I'll send them to your phone right away.
Thank you. One more thing. Can I have a late checkout tomorrow? My flight is in the afternoon.
Let me check. Yes, we can extend your checkout until 2 p.m. with no extra charge.
That's great. I really appreciate your help.
My pleasure, Mr. Johnson. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all for now. You've been very helpful.
I'm glad to hear that. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your stay.
Thank you. You too.
Key phrases you learned today.
Room service.
Could you please send 2 extra towels? Could I also have an extra pillow? I'll ask housekeeping to deliver them.
Facilities and recommendations.
What time does the swimming pool open? Do you have a gym? Could you text me the directions?
Checkout.
We can extend it until 2 p.m. for no extra charge.
Good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
Good morning, Mr. Johnson. Of course. May I have your room number, please?
Room 512.
Thank you. Please give me a moment to review your bill. All right, Mr. Johnson. You stayed for 2 nights in a deluxe double room. Here's your invoice.
She prints and hands over the bill. Thank you. Could I pay by credit card?
Certainly, sir. Please insert or tap your card here. Perfect. Your payment has been processed successfully.
Great. Could I have a printed receipt, please?
Of course. Here's your receipt, and I'll also email you a copy.
She smiles as she types.
Everything is complete. Did you enjoy your stay with us?
Yes, everything was wonderful. The room was clean, the breakfast was excellent, and your staff were very friendly.
That's wonderful to hear. Thank you so much for your kind words.
You're welcome. The only small thing, the Wi-Fi was a little slow at night, but overall it was great.
Thank you for letting us know. We'll have our team check that right away. Your feedback really helps us improve.
I appreciate that. I'll definitely stay here again next time I visit.
We'd love to welcome you back, Mr. Johnson. Could I help you with transportation today?
Yes, please. Could you call a taxi to the airport for me?
Of course. It will arrive in about 10 minutes. You can wait in the lobby.
Perfect. Thank you for everything.
My pleasure, Mr. Johnson. Have a safe trip and a wonderful day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Key phrases you learned today.
Checkout process.
I'd like to check out, please. Could I pay by credit card? May I have a printed receipt?
Feedback and politeness.
Everything was wonderful, thank you. The Wi-Fi was a little slow at night. I'll definitely stay here again.
Final service.
Could you call a taxi to the airport, please? Have a safe trip. Great job, everyone! You've just learned real hotel English, from booking your room to checking in, asking for help, and checking out with confidence. Learning tip: keep listening and repeating. Even a few minutes a day can make your English smoother and more natural. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow to keep learning real English for travel and daily life. See you in the next video. Let's keep learning English at home together.